At Havahart, we offer a wide range of trap styles to suit your needs. Every style has its own method for setting. This video will demonstrate how to set each type of trap in a variety of ways to ensure the best performance for your needs. To set this style of trap with both doors open, start by opening both door locks. Next, press down on the looped trigger rod and position it under the bait trigger. Last, close both door locks. This type of trap can also be set with just one door open. To do so, open the right door lock. Move the straight trigger rod behind the looped trigger rod. Next, press the looped trigger rod and position it under the bait trigger. The straight trigger rod should remain parallel with the top of the trap. Close the door lock on the activated door. The one-door trap only has one setting option. First, rotate the trigger rod at the back of the trap to a 45-degree angle. Squeeze the door lock and lift the door. Next, rotate the back trigger rod until the raised lip rests on the front trigger rod. Rotate the bait trigger until it's set. This style of trap is very simple to set. Start by pushing in the door lock. Then lift the door. Hook the trigger hook in the door and you're done. This trap style can be set two ways, one door or two door. For a one-door set, start with the left side. Push the door lock in, then lift the door and latch the trigger hook in the door. Leave the right side closed. For a two-door set, move to the right side of the trap and repeat this process. Just as the name implies, easy set traps are incredibly easy to activate. Simply lift the handle and pull it back. To set the trap sensitivity for your animal, adjust the sensitivity screw by turning the knob right or left. This trap can be set two ways, with a one-door set or a two-door set. To set with both doors open, simply lift the handle and pull it back. Both doors are now activated. To set the trap with one door open, start by disengaging the cable from the loop. Then lift the handle and pull it back, just as in the two-door set. For more information and trapping tips, visit Havahart.com.